Right, hey guys. In this videos, we're going to look at a topic called computer and calculator. It is a grade 10 topic, so we are going to discuss it. So, like I said, we're going to look at a computer and calculator. Computer and calculator. So before we get to the calculator part, let's look at what a computer is. So, a computer. All right, so what is the computer? So in its simplest term, a computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It's an electronic device that manipulates information or data. By data, we're talking about unprocessed information. All right, so in other words, or in other simple term on how you can know that this is a calculator, this is a computer, it is its ability to store, retrieve, and process data. So, computers has the ability to store, to retrieve, and process data. All right, so you can store your data in your computer. Let's say your school assignment in that computer. All right, so you can store, right? You can store your information, maybe perhaps your birth records, your grades, you can store them in your computer. So the computer has that ability to store. Then you can easily have access to that information that you have stored anytime. That means you can easily retrieve, okay? And also it can process data. That's a computer. Now, this computer that we are talking about, it is made into two components or two combinations, that is hardware and also a software. Right, so we have hardware and software. So for the part of hardware, this is a physical part of a computer, right? A part where you are able to touch, you are able to see, right? So it's a physical part of a computer. We're talking about the keyboard, all right? We're talking about the monitor. Those are what we call the hardware of a computer. All right, so not only that, like I've said, it is a physical part, of course, and that includes the internal components and the external parts, like the monitor and the keyboard. All right, that's about the hardware. Then in a part of a software, now for the software part, this is where, or maybe I can simply say it's a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. It's the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do, such as the web browsers. All right, we're talking about the media player and word processors. So those are the parts, few parts about the software. Okay, so those are just few components or parts of a computer. All right, we have hardware and we have as software. So quickly, let me just show you a quick diagram on how these things work. So let's check out the next video, as this video is becoming lengthy.